G'day guys, how you going? Hope you're doing well. My name is Sean and I make videos about tech, and today we're going to be talking about this insanely impressive battery from a company called Alogic. This is a 27,000 milliamp hour battery that can recharge a laptop, 2 phones, and also wirelessly charges using Qi charging on top. So if you guys like this video and you found it helpful, maybe you consider hitting the like button, getting subscribed so that way you don't miss out on future videos. And if you want to check out behind the scenes stuff, you can do that at Technology Australia on Instagram, and catch me live on YouTube every Thursday and Saturday. So now that's all said and done, let's begin. Alright, so this battery from Alogic is pretty insane. It's a battery bank that is 27,000 milliamp hours, and this one you can see it's been named the USB-C 27,000 milliamp laptop power bank. 60-watt power delivery with wireless charging. So this battery is absolutely insane. It's airline approved, so if you want to take this on the plane with you, you can definitely do that. So if you're someone that travels a lot and you want to take this on your carry-on, you can definitely do that. You can see in the illustration here what they're trying to get at is that you can basically go ahead and recharge something like your Macbook Pro. You've got one of the new ones with USB-C, and also wirelessly charge your phone at the same time using that Qi charging function in the top. Down the bottom here, you've got 2 USB ports that you can plug in obviously anything else that you want to recharge. And also what's quite nice is if I spin this around so you can kind of try and see it, is you've got a little LCD to give you an indicator of what the battery level is of this battery bank, because it is so big. So this is a absolutely insane battery from Alogic, and let's get it out of the box here so we can go through some of the other features. Now the specs of this battery, I should probably just talk about the weight and a few other things as well. So total power of this battery is 82 watts. So, 60 watt charging for your laptop, a 10 watt wireless charger, and then a couple USB ports at 5 volts, 3 amps, means that total combined power output is 82 watts. Capacity, as mentioned, is 27,000 milliamp hours. I still can't get over that. 2 years of warranty. So this battery, it doesn't actually show the weight here. I can tell you that it definitely weighs a decent amount. And then on the back here, you can see we've got some examples of how much extra battery life that you're going to get. So for a MacBook Pro 13-inch, which has a 10-hour battery life, it's going to extend that up to 23 hours. If you have a MacBook Air, up to 29 hours, an XPS 13 laptop, which is a high-performing laptop for the Windows world, from 19 hours to 44 hours, and a MacBook Pro 15-inch, which is insane. I can't imagine too many people expecting a lot of battery life from a 15-inch MacBook Pro. You're going to go from 10 to 20 hours. So it's quite insane that you can actually use this battery bank to recharge a laptop. As I cut the tab here, just trying to give you guys an understanding of who might want something like this. Now, my girlfriend, who works on a lot of film sets, she's always on her laptop, and quite often or not, she is away from a power outlet for extended periods, sometimes a few days at a time, without necessarily having a dedicated power point to recharge her laptop. Or she might be out in the field, in a forest or something like that, where there is no ability or function to have a generator, or obviously a power outlet. So a lot of solar power chargers are not going to give you the output that something like this will give you. Pulling this out of the box here, it's so hard to comprehend the size of this battery bank. So let me just get this out without trying to damage it. Like, it's so big that it is quite difficult to handle while also making this video, because I definitely don't want to drop it and put a dent in my desk or anything like that. So obviously once you get it out of the box here, you can see you get a little bit of documentation on how to use the charger. It gives you information about how to recharge the battery, and then also all the technical information that we mentioned before that's on the inside of the box. It's also got it here on a little bit of paperwork. So it'll give you more information about the recharging and the LED lights and what they need. So if you're recharging this and you want to know what the status is of the battery, you can use this little document, maybe take a photo of it, keep it on your phone, and that way you know what the battery is doing. So the battery itself, it is It is quite big. For context, if I was to get my iPhone 11 here and put that down, that will give you some perspective as to how big this battery is. If you look at one of the other batteries from Alogic, which is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, this big 27,000 one just dwarfs it in comparison. On the side of the battery, if we look here, we can see that's where we've got our power button. So if we hold that down, you can see on the LCD it's telling us we've got about 85% battery health already on this battery. Not battery health, I should say, battery capacity. And then we've got two outputs here, two USB A outputs, and then a USB-C in and output. So you can recharge this battery with the USB-C, because one big thing that a lot of people kind of fail to recognize that make these big batteries is if you can only recharge it at 5 watts, to recharge a battery of this size off a little phone charger is going to take a long time. So with the included USB-C cable they give you, you could plug this into like your laptop charger, and you could recharge this 27,000 milliamp hour battery quite quickly. So battery capacities that have 27,000 milliamp hours of battery capacity may seem a little bit ridiculous to some of you, but I know that there are definitely people out there that have MacBook Pros with poor battery life, or wishing they could get even more battery out of their computer, and this device is definitely going to enable you to do that. It's only $189, and I say only because to get this much capacity at that price point, a lot of other companies, like I've done one from Mophie, which charged, I think it was like $280, so it's almost not exactly double, but $100 more for something that is very, very similar, is just crazy, and you can't do half of the things that this one can do. This one with the wireless Qi charging on top, and then the ability to plug in two USB devices on the back of it is just crazy. And then obviously the function that you can plug it into your laptop and give it an extra 8 to 10 to 12 hours, depending on what type of laptop that you have, is just, I think it's such a cool thing, and most people that are looking for a product like this will want the biggest battery they can get without having to always rely on being near a power point. The fact that you can also take this onto a plane confidently and feel like you're not going to have any issues there is great. So if you're someone who's traveling around a lot, this is going to make your life very, very easy. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments. Do you think I was on the money? Do you think that this is a cool product? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you not see the point of it? Let me know. I'd like to get your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again to Alogic for sending this over. I know that we're going to get many, many, many uses out of it for hopefully years to come. We're going to be going to Japan very soon for the Olympics in July, and I definitely think that this will be something that we'll be taking with us. So thanks once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.